Alright, so I don't know if any of y'all can relate to this, but I have been looking for the cat for like the last 5 minutes because it's very abnormal for Kit Kat not to be up in everything. And of course, I opened the refrigerator door and here's Kit Kat. He loves being inside the refrigerator. Excuse the mess, I know. But he loves being inside the refrigerator, and I don't get it. Do any of y'all have this similar experience with your cats? Or is it just me? He loves getting inside of it. And he's so sneaky. You leave it open for like 10 seconds and he slides in there. Alright, I'm going to shut it again. Watch your tail. Watch your tail. Watch your tail. You ready to get out? This cat is just so funny. Come on. Seriously, Kit Kat? No, you cannot get the Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. He is obsessed with chicken nuggets. Oh my goodness. No. No. Oh my goodness. You're crazy. Ah! Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to sanitize this refrigerator after. Which I probably need to clean it anyway. So it's kind of a blessing, I guess. Kit Kat, no! Okay, well, drop your comments, drop your likes, subscribe, and let me know if I just have a really weird, abnormal cat, or if this is normal. Oh my goodness, there he goes. Oh goodness, he discovered the Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. Oh goodness, it is all over now. I know Autumn. Autumn is like, what in the world? Oh, she wants her cherry tomato. She's like, hello. You can have the Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets, but you are not getting my cherry tomatoes. No, sir. Alright, y'all. Maybe I'll heat a chicken nugget up for him. Or just give it to him cold. Alright, Kit Kat, you got to get out of this refrigerator. Oh, my goodness. Well, he's out. Alright, y'all. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you.